Here are tonight's starters for your Golden State Warriors.
If I could watch only one game this week, I think this would be the one.
Both of these teams have some great competitors on their roster, so look for some great individual efforts throughout this game.
T-Mac takes the jumper.
Defensive
Hardaway with the foul.
Tim Hardaway. That's his first.
He's got a steady hand when it comes to the foul line.
Whatever else happens in a game, he knows that these shots will go down for him. Rims off. Fortune grabs it. Gives it off to Richardson. Blocked by McGrady. Hill spins. Looks at the three. Nails the J.
The assist to Grant Hill.
He'll bring it up court. He's looking to make the entry pass.
And if they can get it in there, they have a good chance of scoring.
Rips the ball. Mutombo will bring it up court. To his Ernest. He puts up the shot. He drains the jumper. That's a 6-zip run. The Magic lead by 6. Launches the three. To Hill. Jordan with the shot. He puts it off the window. Orlando on an 8-0 run. Hardaway feels they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try and exploit it. Shot blocked by Mutombo. He can hit you from 3. He can pull up from 15. He can definitely posterize you at the rim. When T-Mac gets the rock, you know something big's going to happen.
That's his first person.
He gets his man off his feet. Jordan takes it hard to the rack. The Magic on a 10-zip run. The Magic are ahead by 10. The Magic wanted to get the jump on their opponents early on.
The way this team plays, they feel the first quarter can set the tone for the entire game.
Got it.
If they want to stay out of the loss column, they do not want to try trading baskets with a shooter like that.
Dishes off to Hill. He takes the jumper.
Grant Hill.
Hardaway sets it up. If they can run a few isolation plays for him, he'll come up with points. J-Rich fires.
They can't even use him as a decoy now.
They'll have to make a few bursts.
And even then, they still might not respect his shot.
McGrady is whistled for the defensive foul. Foul shot, no good.
Number 1.
No good. The fake, stolen.
If you keep hustling like that, you'll be able to get some steals.
Armstrong makes the finger roll. From three-point land. No good. Hill takes the board. To T-Mac with a nice shot fake. What a great dunk.
Oh, he owns this place now.
That's a 6-0 run. He sets it up on the right side with a nice shot fake. Got it. It's almost like the defense isn't there.
He's unstoppable right now.
Darrell Armstrong is a big part of this team. When he's on the floor, he brings with him the kind of energy and intensity that rubs off on his teammates. Armstrong, good fake. Looks at the three. Look good from here.
We're seeing some nice shooting from this man.
He'll bring it up court. Hardaway sets things up. Fortune is trying to run some plays for the big man to get some production in the paint. Dampier, good fake. He misses the jumper. McGrady quickly advances it up the floor. To Jordan, to Mutombo. Jordan with a finger roll. He's now got 8 points. Hardaway launches a 3. He initiates the offense. To Flash with a nice shot fake to T-Mac. Dampier with the steal. Pushes it up to Hardaway. There's the alley-oop.
Straight from the highlight reel.
Tim Hardaway. He wins it.
Armstrong takes the jumper. Clarkson takes the board. Golden State running the floor with numbers. Off the window.
Now that was not the shot they wanted to give.
No defender was able to make a play on the ball. To Armstrong. Hill gets the rock. Sliding in with a double pump slam. My, that's how you finish. He sets it up on the left side. Going for 3. Got it. That's 11 points for the former first-round pick. At the end of the first, the Magic lead the Warriors 23-13. It's always too early to start losing.
These guys look like they're learning that the hard way.
He sets up the offense.
Now they've got to turn things around down there.
I'm with you. So far, they haven't had many points in the paint. He ran into trouble that time.
Unforced errors are going to be the death of this team.
He'll bring it up court. Fakes it. Armstrong picks up the defensive foul. Hardaway spends a lot of time working on his free throws, and it shows up in his stats. No good. Rims off. Armstrong grabs the rebound. Up with the shot.
Orlando is missing a lot of easy shots.
To T-Mac. There's the fake. He'll shoot. Yes. They make good on another long-range opportunity.
That's some great shooting.
They're going to try and get the ball to the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it might open up the outside shot.
Hardaway, no good. Mutombo grabs the board. Hardaway with the defensive foul.
Tim Hardaway. That's his second personal team foul.
Armstrong is a sharpshooter from the stripe.
Darryl Armstrong.
No good.
Into the game for Golden State, number 0, Gilbert Arenas.
Armstrong gets it. Already in this game, they've had their difficulties.
I don't think they've found a lineup that can stand toe-to-toe with the other team.
Armstrong is called for the defensive foul.
Darryl Armstrong. That's his second personal team foul, number 2.
Arenas is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, they open up the outside shot.
Armstrong is whistled for the defensive foul.
That's his third
Fortson is one of the league's
foul,
leaders in
number
free
3.
throw accuracy. He misses his first shot.
Into the game for the Golden State Warriors, number 22.
Misses.
Garrett.
Gives it off to Jordan. 180-degree reverse jam. That's play of the day material right there. He'll bring it up court.
Michael Jordan.
He sets it up on the left side. Backs him in. Jamison pump fakes. Rejection. To Hill. Jordan makes the finger roll. That's a 7-0 run. The Magic are ahead by 17. Jamison with the shot.
The shooting doctor is in.
And you don't need an appointment to see him. Armstrong with the fake. No good. Arenas picks it out of the air. He's just racing down the court. This team started to look a little bit tentative out there.
If they don't get a grip on these mental errors, this game could get out of control real quick.
It's stolen. I think we're seeing a call for some post play here.
They want to work the ball inside to see how the defense reacts.
To Arenas. He puts up the shot. All night long, they've done a great job of boarding. I've got to see that one again. Sura gives it off to Jamison. Backs down his defender. Nice shot. That's 6 points for the former first-round pick. With a nice little spin move. No. Murphy grabs it. Golden State quickly back the other way. He can throw it down.
It's all in the lip.
The assist to Gilbert Arenas.
Pass to Jordan. Lays it in. The Warriors will let that one go.
Right now they need to concentrate on getting points back.
Sick dunk.
Sicker.
He sets the screen, then rolls away.
I'm expecting to see a pass right now or something.
He fakes the shot to McGrady. To Armstrong. Up with a shot. Murphy takes the rebound. He'll bring it up court. They want to try and work it into the post here. Arenas is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. Backing his man down. That was pretty.
They can keep getting good looks down low. This is going to be an easy game for them.
Jordan with the spin move. No good. He sets it up on the left side. With the fake. Sura unloads.
He's nailing shot after shot.
Jordan makes the lay-in.
Into the game for Golden State, number 34, Chris Mills, and number 25, Eric Dampier.
He sets up the offense. The three. Mills. Good.
Let's see if they go back to him on offense.
When a player gets beat, he needs to go down the other end of the court and get some back. Air Jordan. Ask anyone and they'll tell you. He's the greatest player ever to play the game. Let's see if they can get something on this last possession.
Hey, the shot clock is no longer a fact.
He's backing down. Murphy with an easy two. Jordan takes the shot. He drains the shot.
The assist to Dikembe Mutombo.
At the half, the Magic lead 40-30. After one half of play, Bob, what do you see them doing to get back into this one?
Better shot selection down. Too many times in the first half, these guys just settle for the first shot they saw.
And let's see if they're able to move things around more inside. The Warriors narrow the gap to 7. Jordan with a little spin move. Back to Armstrong. McGrady puts up the J. Fortson takes the board. The screener kept his head in the play and was looking for the pass.
They should consider fouling in those situations.
We're seeing some fundamental mistakes tonight.
Hey, if these guys play like that from my high school coach, they'd be running lines.
The Magic are contesting the ball end to end.
And good things are happening.
I thought he was going to tear down the rim with that two-handed jam. That's 11 points for the 6-year pro. Puts up the jumper. Got it.
Don, this is an education in concentration.
And his shooting streak continues. Takes the shot. He buries the jumper. That's 18 points for the former first-round pick. Hardaway wants to try and work it into the post here. Hill grabs it. Orlando runs the fast break. He puts it down.
And rattles the rim.
knows they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try and exploit it. Backs him down. Jamison fakes the shot. Knocked away to McGrady. He sets it up on the left side. Passes off to Armstrong. Armstrong misses the tray. Jamison grabs it. Launches the three. He buries the tray. Jordan takes the jumper. That gives him a game-high 20 points. Hardaway will bring it up court. Seems to me they're looking to generate some points in the paint. Block shot.
Out of bounds.
These guys are not going to put on a show in front of all these fans.
Well, they know it's just not worth it.
And it takes away from the game.
Hill pulls the trigger. Richardson grabs the board. He sets it up on the left side. Not there.
He teed off on that shot.
Puts up the jumper.
And John Jamison.
Pushes it up to Hill. To Deep. Passes off to McGrady. Pass to Jordan. Dampier picks up the defensive foul.
Eric Dampier. That's his first personal team foul. Number 1.
He pump fake.
2 minutes remaining.
Passes off to Hill. Looks at a three. Fortune grabs the rebound. Contact, Bob.
That's what we've been saying.
The assist to number 10, Tim Hardaway.
Backing his defender down. Hardaway gets it. Pushing the ball up court now. Can you believe it? A 360.
Now that's the ticket, baby.
That's a 6-0 run. He comes away with it. Jamison makes the shot.
Out of bounds. Magic ball.
Tee up. Let's go. Tee up.
It's stolen. Passes off to Hardaway. One down.
Stand clear of him.
Jamison now has 14 points. Looks at three. Oh, yes. That gives him 12 points. Hardaway is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
Jamison is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint.
Check the time.
Puts up the J. Yes!
Kenny Fortson.
Dishes off to Armstrong. With the J. He hits the shot.
Armstrong.
We're seeing the post players trying to establish position.
He's looking for the entry pass so he can go to work, Don.
Back to Mutombo. To Armstrong. To T-Mac. With the nice shot fake. He's been robbed. Golden State is looking for 2-on-1. Armstrong with the defensive foul.
If he concentrates, this is his shot.
He's looking to add one more. Mutombo takes the jumper. At the end of the third quarter, the Warriors and the Magic are... We've played 3 quarters, and so far, nothing really done.
Both teams have traded basket for basket, stop for stop, all the way.
Yeah, I think we're in for a big fourth quarter.
Oh, yeah, you bet.
The fake. Richardson is called for the defensive foul. His coach is not liking what he's seeing out there.
There's going to be some thunder in the locker room.
First one, good. Gets them both. Hardaway will bring it up court.
Dumping it down low seems to be a good idea, Don.
Well, Bob, they feel the other team just can't defend them down there. Fortune drains the two.
That's the kind of play they're going to need from him, Don.
Dishes it to Jordan. Finger roll.
He is in the zone.
The assist to number 55.
Hardaway will bring it up court. J-Rich with the J. You know, Bob, if this were a game of horse, that's got to be an H.
Hey, you got that right.
To Armstrong. He puts it up. No. Dampier with the board. They're running and gunning. He's posting some great numbers.
Into the game for the Golden State Warriors, number 0, Arena.
Armstrong is whistled for the defensive foul.
Into the game for the Warriors, number 1, Troy Murphy.
Surra, good fake. Blocks it. Mutombo picks up the defensive foul. Dampier hasn't been a consistent shooter for them.
Into the game for the Golden State Warriors.
Rims off. Hill grabs it. He looks to run. Powers it down with a two-handed jam. He sets it up on the left side. His teammates are giving him room for the ISO.
When he can get some room, he can really operate.
You got to keep your eyes open out there.
Even if it's bad pass, you just need to be aware of it and stick and play football.
He sets up the play. Arenas wants to try and work it into the post here. Murphy puts it up. Garrett with the offensive board. Jordan takes it away. Hill goes up. Garrett gets the rebound. Quickly down court. Surra comes up empty. Mills grabs the offensive board. The Magic didn't react to the drive.
When a player's attacking the basket like that, Don, he is everybody's defensive assignment.
Puts up the J. Murphy gets the board. Blocked by T-Mac.
Out of bounds.
You can see the frustration.
And that's going to start taking him out of his game. The best thing to do now is run a play through him and give him a chance to put some points on the board.
The offense is looking to get something in the post.
They want to try to get the post players involved.
Lays it in. Orlando has to be asking themselves some tough questions.
Like, where did he come from?
McGrady shoots. He buries it. Hardaway will bring it up court. One-on-one, this player's hard to stop. Murphy buries the shot. McGrady will bring it up court. To T-Mac. He puts up the shot. Got it!
He strokes it and comes up with another basket.
Hardaway will bring it up court. Tries the three. Got it!
Now that is what I like to see.
To Mutombo. Passes off to Hill. Mills with the defensive foul. Hill goes to the line, shooting 2. He misses the first.
Into the game for the Golden State Warriors, number 21, Danny Watson.
Hill makes it.
Anton Jamison.
The defense has to make a stand right here.
McGrady grabs it. Sliding in with a double bump slam. My, that's how you finish.
Tracy McGrady.
McGrady is called for the defensive foul. He doesn't look happy with himself, Bob.
Of course not. This young man knows what the situation is for his team.
Jason Richardson.
Dampier is trying to run some plays for the big man to get some production in the paint. To T-Mac. Here's the 3-ball. Mutombo can't contribute from that distance. That's not his range, and that's not going to help his team. This one is definitely not over yet.
If they're going to make a run, they need to start taking the rock to the rim.
To Mutombo. Works his whistle for the defensive foul. He's red on for 21 points.
This guy's like a silent assassin on the line.
Yeah, on a good night, he'll get 6 or 8 extra points from here, and you won't even remember how. Dampier collects the rebound. Workson handles the feed.
Out of bounds. Golden State ball.
Step up the D, boys.
McGrady takes it away. to T-Mac. He puts up the shot. Clarkson picks it out of the air. He has 6 rebounds. For 3. Nope. Armstrong takes the rebound. Pass to McGrady. There's the dunk.
That move was flat out off the hook.
Hardaway is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
Off the glass.
Hardaway. The assistant.
Looks at a 3. Dampier takes the rebound. Golden State has a 2-on-1. Get out of his way.
He's here to make noise.